Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let me go back to show you the full path. Here in the settings we have to scroll down to the very bottom actually to find this system option, so let's tap. Then let's tap on languages at the top and go to system languages. So here we've got the list of all, let's say, currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's add new one. Just tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick Turkish and then tap on the region if you can. As you can see, our new language has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do right here is to tap on the language and hold it, and then drag it to the first position and release the finger. Then let's tap on change to confirm, and as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on change, and we've got English applied. Of course, if you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.